I think we made the best sandwich on earth.
今から誰に会いに行くでしょうか？ジョシュア・ウェスマン。この間ご自宅にご招待いただいて、このレシピブック、クックブックをいただきました。それでうまみソース使って料理作ってってお願いしたら、なんと彼のクッキングスタジオがあって、撮影スタジオなんで撮影させてもらえることになりました。Let's go to see him.
This is the crucial ingredient. I've already used half the bottle since you gave it to me, so I'm a big fan. Yeah, I'm a big fan. Such a good sauce. So really, yeah, you guys did a good job.
I'm so excited. You created today's menu, so I'm so excited.
Yeah, my brain was like fried chicken sandwich.
Fried chicken. Is it American dish or?
It's kind of like a combination of many cultures, I would say, like frying it sort of katsu style.
Oh yeah.
But then I'm gonna add a sauce to the chicken. I guess a little bit more Korean inspired, the sauce it is. A little bit. And then the idea of making it a sandwich is American.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, and we're doing brioche buns, so this is also French. How many cultures can we get in this sandwich? This sauce is actually a great example. Like it really can go with anything.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be like, you know, a Japanese dish. It can be anything. We did a recent video, it was like pasta.
Oh yes.
That was a perfect example. This is a flavor. If you want to add this to something, it's gonna make it taste good.
Yeah. Yeah. Universal flavor of love.
Umami sauce is the centerpiece. Bang. There it is. If you don't know what this is, you should. And there's only one way to find out, and that is to buy it and try it. I tried this recently. It was absolutely delicious. I'm incredibly indecisive and wanted to do a million things.
Yes.
So instead I decided, let's make something that I just like to eat. One of my favorite things of all time is a crunchy fried chicken sandwich. I don't know if she likes fried chicken sandwiches.
She loves it, yeah.
My goal today is to impress her.
Ooh.
That's my goal. I don't know how well I'm going to do with that, if I'm being completely honest. Okay, so let's make maybe we make the chicken sauce first. So I have a bunch of ingredients here. I have palm sugar. I have a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of gochujang, ketchup, some garlic, but more importantly, I have this. I'm going to get a small pot, that here. And if you don't mind, if you could help get me these ingredients in here, and I'll chop the garlic.
Gochujang.
Yes, a little bit of gochujang. I want this to be a pretty prominent flavor in there. 3 to 4 tablespoons in there, around that much, just like that. Okay, we have our garlic. So I'm gonna add the garlic last.
Okay.
This knob right here. And then you can adjust.
Okay, this is my first time combination umami and gochujang.
I think it's gonna be really delicious.
Yeah.
It already smells so good. You could put in pepper, chili, but I think we're just gonna keep it simple with like a nice sticky sweet sauce. While that's going, I'm gonna make another sauce.
Okay.
We have 2 sauces in here.
Wow.
This is a saucy sandwich.
Cubi mayo.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes.
So we have a little bit of that going on. And then some sriracha.
Oh.
For spicy.
Yeah.
Not too spicy, a little spicy. And then I want to integrate it in every part of the meal, you know what I mean? That way there's a little bit in every bite. Just a little bit of umami sauce.
Umami-fied.
What was it?
Oh yeah, make umami sauce. Umami.
Okay, so then I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic to this as well because I love garlic. I don't know if you guys love garlic as much as I do.
We love it.
Very garlicky. Just 1 clove. Here we'll add a tiny bit of salt.
Wow, is it shichimi?
Yep.
Yo, Japanese smell.
Yes. Citrus peel, yuzu peel, chili pepper, and a little bit of sesame. And then here you guys can mix that up.
Mama, やって。
Beautiful.
ここにいるの。She wants to stay here.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. She's doing good.
一緒にやりたいけど恥ずかしいけど。Usually just 2 of us, so she's very shy. She wants to try, together.
Touch of white distilled. I think a little bit of acid will make you want to go back for another bite. Oh yeah, try it.
Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I love this.
Yeah, make sure this is good too.
Yeah, this is very good.
Honestly, no notes. Perfect. The umami sauce was the key, actually. I was like, why does this taste better than usual?
Arigato.
Yeah, hopefully you guys are figuring this out by now. So we've got a beautiful head of cabbage. I'll have you guys slice it for me.
Okay. Shred cabbage. Okay.
Lovely. Okay, and then I'm gonna get some green onion for the slaw.
Ooh.
Yeah, is Michael B. Jordan, can he cut like that? I don't think so, Michael B. Jordan, all right? You might be hot, but you'll never have nice skills like me. Remember that. Now I need to figure out how to look like him. Add that in there.
You went culinary school or by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How did you start cooking?
My mom.
Oh, so
My mom,
cute.
yeah. Same way that you're learning is how I learn.
Oh, nice. And cook together?
Mm-hmm. Every day.
Oh, wow.
For my whole childhood. I would cook dinner for them after I got good enough.
Oh, wow. What's like your home dish, like mom's food?
Mom's food, she's from Texas,
Oh, yes.
so she cooks Southern. Chicken fried steak, hence the fried chicken sandwich. This is actually kind of something that my mom would make, in a way.
Wow.
So it is, in a way, umami. You know?
Oh, yeah.
A lot of fried chicken, chicken fried steak, cream gravy. She would make unbelievable fried fish. She would bake a lot, cornbread.
Nice.
She would make biscuits at home. So like a lot of like Texas Southern style food.
Wow.
I want to eat that just straight
Yeah,
up.
I know.
So perfect. So we'll give this a nice light little toss. How did you start cooking?
Oh, I used to work as a geisha.
Okay.
So I never know cooking, but once I get married, I went to the cooking school.
Well, you went to culinary school.
Yeah, in Japan.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that. Your
Yeah.
skills are very good.
No, but just home cooking.
Cooking, I think, is a vital skill, but I also think it's just like nice to be creative and have fun, you know?
Yeah.
Like that's kind of the beauty of it. I wonder if maybe we keep this very light. Maybe we just do a little bit of maybe just a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of kupi mayo.
Oh,
Maybe in
nice.
this. Maybe a little bit of umami sauce. Not too much, just a tiny, tiny bit, because we're gonna have more on the sandwich.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. White distilled vinegar, just a little bit. Very gentle toss. Okay, let's try it.
Perfect.
Tart, not too salty,
Yeah.
a little sweet,
Tangy
and umami.
umami. I can say umami.
Yeah, you gotta cook and clean.
Yeah.
It's a key part of,
Yes,
of
yeah.
life, you know? I used to have a chef that would say, dirty kitchen, dirty mind.
Oh, I see. Yeah, exactly.
Clean kitchen, clean mind.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people, they underbred their chicken. It's really key that the eggs, in my opinion, are really thoroughly whisked. Wait, am I crazy? Oh,
I thought.
yeah, what happened? What happened? I cracked the egg and put it in there. I even confused you for a second. Pretend that didn't happen. Okay. I feel like you never see this, but I always add a little bit of salt to my eggs.
Oh, nice.
Just a little. And then we pour that into our container here, which we have for our panko. A little bit of flour. Whoa! Okay, it's ready, it's ready. That was beautifully done. Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
for that. I needed that help.
You're welcome.
So I'll do the first one. Both sides. I call this technique wet hand, dry hand. You always have one hand that's
Yeah.
dry, one hand that's
Yeah,
wet,
yeah, yeah,
obviously. So now switch to the wet hand. Make sure it's thoroughly coated. Here, you want to get that one? Perfect. You're doing better than I thought. I feel like I'm in competition now. Here, will you guys do one?
あ、いやいやいや
please?。
ボンボンボンボンってやって。ポンポンポンポンで裏返してくれる？うん。ポンポンポンポン。
Boom, boom.
Okay.
Perfect.
裏返して。Yes. Thank you.
Beautiful.
I was looking for the chicken thigh but skin on boneless, but we couldn't find it. Is it normal because skinless, boneless chicken thigh?
Oh, here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oftentimes, if I want skin on but no bones, I have to take the bones out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, for some reason in America, they don't like the skin here. I love it,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
but it's definitely a cultural thing here where we just don't.
Oh, I see.
If there's no skin, there's no bones. But you can get the whole chicken and break it down, or you can get bone-in, skin on.
Oh, yeah,
You'll
yeah.
have to take the bones out.
Oh, yeah, that's interesting
Yeah.
because we couldn't find skinless and boneless chicken in Japan. Everything has the skin. Skin
Yeah,
on,
but
boneless.
even the boneless has skin.
Yes.
Wow, we're going to fry.
Okay.
Finally.
Is it meeting?
Mhm.
Oh, nice. You have everything. Japanese ingredients.
It's my favorite cuisine in the world.
Oh, wow.
I think we'll drop both.
Wow. Beautiful.
We'll let these fry for a couple of minutes, and we'll land them right here. Then we'll sauce them. I think we sauce them in a bowl, make them look nice.
Okay.
While they're frying though, I do think we're gonna wanna toast our bun. So if you don't mind splitting this in half for me.
Okay.
Oh wow, look at this.
Brioche? Wow.
Smell?
Oh, we saw.
A little bit of butter. Just a little bit of color, warm it up so it's nice and soft.
Okay. I realize sandwich for Americans is super big deal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Japan, we just sandwich, just bread and then ingredients. But here in US, wow.
Yeah. Layer.
Yeah.
Yes, many textures, many flavors. Yeah. It's become a thing for sure. I mean, there's people who've made their whole businesses out of making sandwiches. You know, I'm sure. Do you know Salt Hank?
Oh yes.
Yeah. He loves sandwiches.
Yeah, I know.
If he were here right now, he'd be so happy.
Oh yeah.
Have you met him?
No.
Oh, you gotta meet him. He's so
yeah.
great. All right, so we'll drop these in. Boom, boom.
Okay.
Make sure that they get soaked up in the butter. We have two things going. We've got our sauces. We've got our chicken. We got our bowl for the chicken. We'll move it around on the pan to get a nice color.
Yeah, that's interesting because we just toast in the toaster.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it looks nice, better.
It'll make a really deep maillard on the toast, so you can already see it's starting to form.
Oh, nice. Ooh.
So now the heat goes off. We'll set it over there. We'll check on the chicken, make sure that it's getting nice color. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's so.
We did such a good job. I kind of like the one that you guys breaded more. It looks way prettier. Yeah, I think mine was too. I always like to be so uniform, and you can see how it's super uniform. I like that yours has like deep. Like look at how it's stacked on top of it. Like you guys. Do you have good technique? She has good technique?
Yeah, she has very good technique.
It's very good, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got our sauce, we've got our pickles, we've got our slaw. You can kind of see how each layer we made almost had a different purpose for this.
Yeah.
In the slaw, we kind of like just lightly seasoned it and it added a lot. But in the chicken sauce, this was a big part of the base. Like it kind of made up the sauce in a way. And then again, we use it as sort of like a flavoring agent for the mayo. So it's like 3 different ways that you can use this. And you can see how much of the bottle we use. It's very, very, very diverse in its ability, which I love.
Umami comes from shiitake mushroom and kombu kelp, a seaweed.
The strongest forms of umami in the natural world.
Yeah. So I think kombu is very good for base.
It's also good for you too, isn't it? Like
good health.
Good health.
Yeah.
I think we're almost there. I'm gonna check this chicken, and if this chicken's done, we're gonna pull it.
What temperature is done?
165 Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, we're good. 179.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That's why I like to use chicken thigh, because if you cook it a little past 165, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Over here, just to let it cool a little bit.
Ooh, oishishou.
Look at that, stunning.
This katsu style is very common here?
I would say so. I love it. I do it all the time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I do it all the time. It's my favorite way to fry anything. I think that there's no better way to make something crispy. Like you can add just flour or breadcrumbs, but something about the panko breadcrumbs specifically makes, I think, the most crispy, delicious, crunchy ever. But this is the one you guys did. This is the one I did. Yours is so much better. So much better.
She did it.
I know, but it's literally so much better. I'm like blown away. I'm truly ashamed. I mean, look at this. I'm not even joking. I wish I was joking, but like, look at this.
すーちゃん見て。すーちゃんがやった方が上手だねだって。
This is mine and this is hers. Look how much better this is. Wow, good work.
Good work, すーちゃん。すごいね。
Yeah, sugoi, not sugoi. Okay, it's time.
Okay.
We're gonna assemble. So we have our beautiful slaw.
Alright.
We have our sandwich sauce. Before we get started, we do have to sauce our chicken.
Oh, the coated.
Yeah, coat it. Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Okay.
You can just pour it all over. Yep.
Whoa.
And then maybe a little bit in the bottom too, down here.
Okay. Can I use?
Yeah, it's totally fine. Yeah. And then we'll give it a little.
Ah, I see.
Oh wow, this is gonna be so good. That looks unbelievable.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Look, I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at this chicken. We gotta show the people what this chicken looks like. Like, I mean, absolutely stunning. It's glossy. Right, we gotta eat this while it's still fresh. Okay.
Wow.
And now we assemble. Are we ready? Right on the bottom with the mayo sauce. Spread it out. And then our pickles. So I always cut them lengthwise like this, so that when you layer them on, it covers the whole sandwich.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Now for the most important piece. This looks so good. This looks so good. I think we spread this out nicely. It smells garlicky. It smells rich, creamy, a little sweet. And then just a little bit of sauce on the top bun as well.
Okay.
All right, here we go. This on just like that.
Wow!
I mean, look at that.
Wow! Just wow! Oh, 美味しそう!
That is sugoi.
すごい!
That's what, if you're wondering what sugoi is, that's it right there. This turned out really good.
Yeah.
And you can smell the umami sauce in
Yes,
there. It
yes.
smells rich. You can smell the kombu, you can smell the mushroom, you can smell the umami emanating off of it. It's garlicky.
Yeah.
It's a little sweet, a little salty. So we made like a sauce, we coated the chicken, we have the creamy, spicy mayo, we have the crunchy slaw, a little bit of this acidity, and then we also have uncommon but a nice dill pickle. It feels weird, but I think it could be good. So everybody can try it.
Oh. Wow. I want to try. 食べて。
Well, I'm not joking. That is unbelievable.
Wow, we should try.
I think we made the best sandwich on earth. Spicy.
Spicy. Okay, 食べてみるね。
Easier one to bite. Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very good. 美味しい. Very saucy and juicy. 美味しい.
Juicy, crunchy, sweet. Wow. She went in for the second bite, guys. She went in for the second bite. I think this is a success. Even if she doesn't like
Yeah, very
it,
good.
that's a success. You watching Michael B. Jordan?
美味しい? The chicken.
Yeah,
very
so good.
Tender.
So tender, crispy. It's not too salty. I was worried it was going to be, but it's nice. And the sweetness from the umami sauce, and you can really taste this. Like,
Yeah.
no joke. I mean, I'm not getting paid to say this. I really mean it. It adds like a depth of flavor to this sauce that would otherwise not be there. It's just really just nice and look, finger licking good. Yo, it's finger licking good, dude. What do you want me to say? Wow, amazing work. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. You did an amazing job.
すーちゃん上手だったよだって.
Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you for coming in here.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
She eats and she leaves. I respect that. A perfect example of not just like what you guys are doing, which I think is absolutely beautiful and amazing, and I love that you include her in everything. I think it makes people want to cook. It makes people want to bring their kids in the kitchen. That's how I started cooking.
Wow.
Like what you do with her is how I started my whole journey. The only reason that this building exists is because of my mom.
Oh, I saw you bought your house for parents
Yeah.
on Instagram. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And you are best son in the world.
Oh, I don't know about that. I was a pretty bratty kid, but yes, I made it up to them with a house. Yes.
But your mom must be proud of you.
Yes, she
right?
is. She's very proud. She's a very proud mom. She deserves it.
Yeah.
I was happy to do it. It was something I wanted to do for a very long time.
Oh, very
So, yeah.
so good.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
You got this.
You buy a house for me?
I think the story behind this is really meaningful. You made an incredible, not just a product, but something that I think is important for people's households. And so, and this sandwich is just a very, very small, simple example of that.
Yeah.
So, subscribe, buy the sauce, have a great time, and remember, I'm better than Michael B. Jordan. Thank you. Thank you to the whole family. Thank you to the man behind the camera, the legend. There he is. You can't see him. He's looking good, clean cut. I like it. Beautiful work. Amazing.
Okay. で、あっちだよ、こっちだよ、あっちだよ。OK? OK。あっちの丸い中見てね。Alright, let's do. Say, umami.